Car scratch removers restore paint appearance, protect against rust, save repair costs, and maintain your vehicle's resale value efficiently. My today's video is about the top 5 best car scratch remover available in the market. If you want to know prices or get more information about the products mentioned, check the links in the description box below. Let's get started. Starting with our first product, Meguiar's Car Scratch Remover. Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is a powerhouse car scratch remover designed to buff out imperfections and restore your vehicle's finish to showroom quality. Its advanced formula tackles scratches, swirls, oxidation, and water spots, bringing back color and clarity quickly and effectively. Thanks to Meguiar's exclusive microabrasive technology, the compound removes defects without hazing, making it safe for clear coats and all-gloss paints. Whether applied by hand or with a dual-action polisher, it delivers a professional-grade, swirl-free shine in minutes, perfect for DIY enthusiasts seeking a flawless finish. Beyond performance, Meguiar's legacy of 125 years in automotive care ensures trusted quality and innovation, combining professional-level results with user-friendly application. For anyone wanting a fast, effective, and reliable solution to restore their car's exterior, Meguiar's Ultimate Compound is a must-have, providing like-new clarity and brilliance every time. Now, our second product is Guardiage Car Scratch Remover. Guardiage Car Scratch Remover is a DIY-friendly solution that makes car scratch repair effortless, eliminating the need for professional tools or expensive shop visits. Simply apply with a microfiber towel, rub it in, and watch minor scratches, scuffs, and swirl marks disappear, saving both time and money. Its formula works on all car paint types and colors, from black to metallic finishes, effectively restoring smoothness and glossy shine to surfaces damaged by keys, shopping carts, or tree branches. The water-resistant formula ensures long-lasting results, protecting your repairs against rain, car washes, and harsh weather. Gentle yet effective, it is safe for clear coats, preventing damage while maintaining the integrity of your car's paint. Ideal for DIY enthusiasts and regular car maintenance, Guardiage is perfect for touch-ups, preparing vehicles for shows, or boosting resale value. With consistent use, it keeps your car looking flawless, making it an essential addition to any car care kit. Our third product is Carfident Scratch Repair and Swirl Remover. The Scratch and Swirl Remover Kit offers an easy, professional-grade solution for removing light scratches, swirls, and paint imperfections, making it perfect for both DIY enthusiasts and car care lovers. Using the included buffer pad and specially formulated compound, it effortlessly erases years of wear and tear, restoring your vehicle's paint to a like-new finish. Beyond scratch removal, this kit revives gloss, shine, and color clarity, eliminating water spots, oxidation, and other surface contaminants for a flawless, polished look. Formulated with premium, professional-grade chemicals, the product is safe, non-toxic, and free of unnecessary dyes or scents, delivering powerful results without compromising your car's paint. Its advanced formula works on all paint types and colors, including clear coats, single-stage, or multi-stage finishes. With this revolutionary solution, car owners can quickly and safely restore their vehicle's appearance, achieving smooth, swirl-free paint and a lasting showroom-quality shine. A must-have for anyone seeking a durable, effective, and user-friendly paint repair solution. Coming in at number 4, Chemical Guys Scratch and Swirl Remover. The Chemical Guys VSS One-Step Compound and Polish COM_129_16SW is a versatile professional-grade solution designed to remove light to moderate scratches, swirls, oxidation, and holograms in a single application. Combining cutting power with finishing polish, it restores gloss and clarity effortlessly, leaving a smooth, high-gloss finish without the need for additional steps. This compound is safe for all paint types, including clear coat, single-stage, and ceramic-coated finishes, and can be applied by hand or with a machine polisher, making it ideal for both DIY enthusiasts and professional detailers. Its body shop safe formula is silicone-free, perfect for repaint, touch-up work, and prepping panels for coatings or protection. The product works quickly, saving time while delivering professional-level results, and is suitable for multiple vehicles including cars, trucks, RVs, and motorcycles. For anyone looking to achieve a flawless, swirl-free finish with minimal effort, this one-step compound and polish is a must-have detailing essential. And finally, our last choice is Turtle Wax Car Scratch Remover. The Smart Surface Repair Car Polish is a highly effective solution for restoring your vehicle's appearance by tackling light scratches, swirls, scuffs, paint transfer, water spots, and even headlight oxidation. Its advanced formula not only removes imperfections, but also enhances overall gloss and clarity, giving your car a freshly polished, like-new finish. Infused with protective resins, it bonds to the clear coat, sealing in repairs and ensuring that results last through rain, washes, and daily wear, unlike ordinary scratch removers. Designed to be paint-safe, the precision polishing agents gently level imperfections on all glossy paint surfaces and clear hard plastics, leaving a flawless, swirl-free finish. Flexible and user-friendly, it works by hand with a microfiber towel for quick touch-ups or with a machine polisher for deeper corrections, making it perfect for both beginners and detailing enthusiasts. Cost-effective and efficient, this scratch remover saves time and money, delivering professional quality results at home in minutes, making it an essential tool for car maintenance. What do you think about this video? If it helped make your decision easier, please subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon to get notified of upcoming videos. Thank you for watching.